Heyo, I have an announcement to make to you all. I am having team auditions to help make Gotcha mini movies and Gotcha series. How to audition is you've joined the first Discord link in the description and message me what role you think would fit best. Of course, you will need some examples of work you have done though. Anyway, that's all. Enjoy the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Animal Crossing video. Today is August 2nd, aka Sunday, and it will be the first fireworks show. By the way, I don't time travel, so this is actually the first one. So I figured I would record it. My first reaction, I guess. I don't know. But right now, well, it's time to start looking up. The fireworks show has just begun. Oh boy. I can't look up. What? Stop. This is terrible. Okay, there we go. Well, you can't even see it. Like, cool. Oh, hi, Fauna. Dolly! Oh! Specklers from Fauna! Thank you, Fauna. Oh my gosh, that's red. My favorite color. Wow. Oh man. Let's see. I don't know. Oh. What? Whoa. Okay. That's perfect. So. Let's see. Yellow balloon. Yes. Yes. Let's see what's next. Oh, video. Very, very cool. Very, very, very cool. Oh, now that's cool. Whoa!
This is also really cool. What? Oh, oh. Oh my god. That's actually really cool. Oh my god. Yes. Very cool. Also, if you want me to do more Animal Crossing videos, let me know in the comments. And also next weekend, I'm gonna be doing the fireworks show again. Both my best friend Luna, because at least she's gonna make it this time. And she really wants to do it with me. So next time it'll be this, but with Luna. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!